Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. I hope you have watched and revised the things that you have learned in previous lesson. Now let's begin with our today's lesson. Let's learn some body parts today. In today's lesson, let's learn to say hand in Urdu. So in English we say hand, and in Urdu it is haath. Haath. Then in English we say foot or feet, and in Urdu it is paun. Foot, paun. Let's repeat one more time. In English we say hand, and in Urdu haath. Then in English we say foot, and in Urdu paun. Let's learn a few more. We say cheeks or cheek, and in Urdu it is gaal. Cheek, gaal. Then in English we say chin, and in Urdu it is thodi. Chin, thodi. Now let's repeat one more time. In English we say cheeks, and in Urdu gaal. Then in English we say chin, and in Urdu thodi. Repeat many times for better practice, okay? Alright. Now let's ask and tell about this, about hand. So in English we say, what is this? And in Urdu the question is, ye kya hai? Then the answer is, this is a hand. And in Urdu it is, ye haath hai. Now you can replace the word haath or hand with anything that is asked about. Whatever is in front and is asked about, that what is this, you're going to reply and answer, this is a dash, whatever the thing that is, okay? So talk and practice, alright? Now let's learn counting further. In previous lesson we have learned counting the numbers 19 and 20. In today's lesson let's learn to say 21 in Urdu. So in English we say 21, and in Urdu it is 21. 21. 21, 21. Then in English we say 22, and in Urdu it is 22. 22. 22, 22. Let's repeat one more time. 21, 21. 22, 22. 21, 22. Repeat and practice, okay? I suggest that you count from 1 to 22 many times. Alright, so here, this is the end of our today's lesson. I will meet with you with next lesson. Till then, revise a lot, okay? Take care. Allah Hafiz.